You're stuck with a dead phone and no charger. What do you do? Call for help? Wait, you can't. But don't freak out. Today, I'll show you how to bring your phone back to life with things you probably have lying around. And trust me, number 5 will blow your mind. First up, the good old lemon battery hack. Believe it or not, you can generate electricity using just lemons, copper, and zinc. Stick a copper coin and a zinc nail into a lemon, connect enough of these in a series, and boom, you've got electricity. It's slow, but hey, in a survival situation, it could be a lifesaver. Wait, did it just work? Okay, maybe not enough to make a call, but at least it's something. All right, this one sounds crazy, but science says it could work. Rubbing your phone with wool and a plastic bag generates static electricity, which in theory can give your phone a teeny bit of charge. Wait, did it just work? Okay, maybe not enough to make a call, but at least it's something. A hand crank generator. If you don't have one, you can actually make one using an old DC motor from a toy car, some wires, and a USB connector. Spin the crank and you generate power manually. This one actually works, but it's a workout. If you're outdoors, solar power is a great way to charge up. Many power banks come with built-in solar panels, but you can also connect a small solar panel directly to your phone's USB cable. Free energy from the sun? Yes, please. And finally, the potato battery. This one is wild. Just like lemons, potatoes contain electrolytes that can generate electricity. Connect enough of them in a circuit, and you've got a real working power source. It's slow, but it actually worked. I'm never looking at French fries the same way again. So, next time your phone is dead and you're stranded, try these tricks. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell for more crazy hacks. See you in the next one.